Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best marble run is probably one of the most captivating toys you can find, blending the thrill of construction with the mesmerizing glow of the dark. This video will dive deep into the world of these fantastic marble runs, exploring their features, and showcasing why they're a must-have for anyone who loves a bit of engineering fun. Get ready to be amazed as we light up the night with these incredible marble run sets. Number 5. Marble Genius Glow in the Dark Marbles. These marbles are motion-activated, flashing bright lights as they move. Kids will love watching them race down the track, through the tower, and even the elevator. It's a fun way to encourage social interaction. These unique marbles shine by activating the LED light, making them glow in the dark. They're perfect for playing in low-light environments. Watch as they light up your marble runs with a brilliant glow. These aren't your ordinary marbles, they glow in the dark when activated by the included LED light. Use them on your marble set or as space toys. It creates a mesmerizing glow-in-the-dark effect. These marbles are durable and roll smoothly through the track. The space-themed design will transport you to another galaxy. Watch them zoom through the twists and turns. Our Marble Genius products are designed to be compatible with all of our accessories and sets. Expand your collection and build bigger and better tracks. It provides hours of fun and entertainment. What we like. This marble set features motion-activated marbles that light up as they move. It's perfect for playing in the dark, adding a whole new level of excitement. If you are looking for a unique and engaging toy that combines fun with a cool glow-in-the-dark effect, you should consider this. What people say. Kid loved it with all the options, had plenty of action pieces and an overkill of connector stand pieces allowing for great heights and virtually unlimited options for a 4-year-old. The marbles were the best part. Glow-in-the-dark solid ones with glowing bits inside, and ones with batteries and lights. You can watch them the whole way through and the color transparency material gets lit up as they pass. UV little flashlight is included. Easy to assemble, sturdy, and lots of different marbles and some glow. Number 4. Marble Genius Marble Run Starter Set. This 80-piece see-through set is the ultimate maze for marble enthusiasts. With its transparent design, you can follow the marble's journey from start to finish. The update includes extra pieces and marbles, making it easier to create exciting tracks. Solid plastic pieces stick together, making this a fun and easy-to-play with run set. These pieces interlock to create various designs, providing endless entertainment. The tracks can be assembled in different shapes and sizes. A strong foundation is crucial for any racetrack maze. There are 6 solid bases, including one large base, to ensure maximum support. The bases distribute the weight, minimizing the risk of collapse and creating a safe experience. Standard toy-size marbles are perfect for this run set. The set comes with 10 glass marbles, each uniquely designed. The smooth surface makes for a speedy roll down the track, and the colors are vibrant. This set is compatible with other sets, expanding the possibilities. The various pieces can be combined to create challenging racetracks and mazes. Kids can enjoy the thrill of watching their marbles race down their creation. What we like. This set has a see-through design, allowing you to watch the marbles from start to finish. The durable plastic pieces and strong bases ensure a stable and long-lasting play experience. If you like to see the action and enjoy building, this is a great choice. What people say. Can turn into multiple forms and can keep kids busy for hours. It is easy to assemble and take apart. They glow well, and the glowing marbles are a whole nother layer of fun. Number 3. Learning Journey Techno Gears Marble Mania, Extreme Glow. This amazing marble run set includes over 200 pieces. It features marbles, channels, connectors, and a power lifter. Once built, it stands over 2 feet tall. The set is designed to build hundreds of different marble run designs. It glows in the dark, adding an extra layer of fun. It's perfect for kids aged 8 to 14. This toy encourages thinking and learning. It challenges problem-solving skills and expands knowledge of mechanics and engineering. It meets all STEM educational standards. It improves fine motor skills by building with the parts. It builds confidence and boosts self-esteem. This also helps develop problem-solving abilities. All Learning Journey products are safety tested. The Learning Journey has many award-winning educational toys. Kids love it. What we like. This marble run offers over 200 pieces for building complex tracks and includes educational benefits, encouraging learning and problem-solving. The glow-in-the-dark feature adds an extra layer of fun. If you are looking for a toy that combines fun and learning, this is the one. What people say. I've put 2 of these together. Allow 2 hours. If you have an extra piece of wood, mount it to the bottom first for added stability. I like the parts that light up. It's sturdy, robust, and looks awesome with the lights on. Number 2. National Geographic Glowing Marble Run Construction Set. Introducing the National Geographic Glowing Marble Run. This amazing construction set lets you build your own exciting marble maze. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about physics. The pieces fit together perfectly, so your marble run stays strong while you play. With sturdy bases and track pieces, it offers countless building possibilities. You can create a unique marble adventure every time. Watch the marbles glow as they race down the track. This set includes colorful, glow-in-the-dark glass marbles and a UV light to recharge them. It adds a cool visual element to the game. Keep everything organized with the included storage bag. It's easy to pack up and store all the pieces and marbles in one place. This makes cleanup a breeze. This marble run is more than just fun, it's educational. The included guide teaches about physics and aerodynamics. It's a hands-on way to learn about science. We are proud to offer high-quality educational toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know. We are committed to making things right for you. What we like. This construction kit features sturdy pieces that fit together securely, ensuring your marble maze won't fall apart. The glow-in-the-dark marbles add a cool visual effect. If you like a STEM toy with a learning guide, this is the perfect choice. What people say. There are lots of support pieces and several unique pinwheel, looping, spiraling pieces. Some pieces branch in different directions so you can build multipath runs that go in different directions. The marbles are glow-in-the-dark. Number 1. 1337 Pieces Marble Run Set. This amazing set lets you build your own marble roller coaster. It's a fantastic way to experience the beauty of space and the joy of movement. With 1337 pieces, the possibilities are endless. The steel ball will rotate endlessly through the track. The track is 53 meters long, offering a challenging and engaging experience. It's designed to provide hours of entertainment. The set includes 3 steel balls that glow in the dark. It's suitable for ages over 15 years old. The product dimensions are 138 by 45 by 63 centimeters. It's a great gift for anyone who loves building and challenges. What we like. This set has a massive 1337 pieces and a 53 pathway for endless building possibilities. The steel balls add a unique element to the marble run experience. If you like a challenging and complex build, this is the one for you. What people say. This is fun and a great way to teach kids about a number of things, mostly how to follow directions. Ball speed can make a big difference on the track. I have put 2 tracks together already. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.